Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
So this pandemic has changed our outlook towards the life. So SBI has always been associated with various CSR activities. We believe in giving back to the society where we operate. So last year also and during this year also we have been doing a lot of CSR activities and we are fortunate that we have been having Chief Minister sir in our functions earlier also.
31 metric ton LMO tank. आतापर्यंत आम्ही 20 metric ton LMO tank GMC in बसयलो. So आम्ही through the CSR authority we have requested for the SBI Foundation and oxygenaची shortage in future केन्ना जावपा ना. इतल्या मोठ्या पद्धतीची सोय ही आम्ही गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज नॉट ओनली द गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज बट अदर सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल हांगा सगळीकडे आमच्याकडे ऑक्सिजना खातीर लागपीच न्ही तर इतर बाकी सगळ्या गोष्टी खातीर लागपी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर अवेलेबल आसा. आमी म्हणटा की फर्स्ट वेव सेकंड वेव आनी केन्ना तरी थर्ड वेव येवपाक शकता बट ऑलरेडी वी आर टेकिंग द प्रिकॉशन्स फॉर द थर्ड वेव. वॅक्सिनेशन हे जाता तितके बेगीन पुराय करचें सगळ्यांनी म्हणजे आमी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आमच्या सारकेले वी आर नंबर 1 इन वॅक्सिनेशन. म्हाका पुराय देशात वॅक्सिनेशन इतक्या मोठ्या पर्सेंटेजीन कंप्लीट करपी आमी हे पयले राज्य आसतले. आमकां सगळ्या लोकांचो जर तेंको मेळ्ळो जाल्यार अप टू द 30th ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत फर्स्ट डोस घेतलेल्यान तोय बी 84 days कंप्लीट जाता. ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत आमी 100% वॅक्सिनेशन पुराय करपाक शकतले.
ओपन करें अभी तो एट प्रेजेंट वैसा कुछ नहीं. हमने स्टेट कर्फ्यू वी हैव कंटिन्यूड फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक.
Said that it is too early to declare victory over COVID and we should all follow the COVID appropriate behavior.
Any advisory, do you think that any advisory should be more for the
There
festival?
are regular advisories coming from Government of Goa. Everybody has to follow that.
How precautionary advisories are required for Ganesh festival?
Ganesh festival, I think the new SOPs are still to be published and they will come because again we are also talking about not making clusters and not getting into crowded places and celebrate the festivals within the families with all proper precautions.